short week this week. Today is the only day I've got to work on the car. Got a lot of stuff going on this week. Kids are getting ready to go back to school, so probably gonna be a short video, but got the door panels back out of the car. I'm gonna be trying to finish up some things on them. Probably won't completely finish them. Don't have a lot of time. Also gonna try and start doing some of the body work on the dash. I know I said I was gonna start on the back door panels. Didn't realize we was gonna be running around like crazy this week, so gonna try and make the most of the time I've got. Try and finish up some things here and there. Gonna have to be done anyway. So gonna wait on those because the dash is gonna be a lot simpler to go ahead and get done, get it knocked out. So we're gonna go ahead and do the dash, get the body work done on it, try and get it some primer, start checking for highs and lows. Then we'll move on to the door panels. When we get to the door panels, I'll probably start cleaning the speaker rings out first. That way that's done and over with. And may get them in some primer if I have time. Like I said, I don't know how much time I'm gonna have today, but we're gonna jump on it. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. Not gonna have time to fool the door panels. I did try and start messing with one, and my little rotary tool, I broke it. So I'm gonna have to get another one of those. Kind of my fault why it broke. Tried to get it too tight, and the I don't know what it's called. Anyway, I broke it. Got to get another one. The dash is pretty close. Still got to spray a guide coat after the primer dries. I did use rattle can. Most of it's probably gonna get sanded off anyway. But as soon as it dries, it's gonna get guide coat sprayed on it. We're gonna go back, block it, do all our finishing work. I'm not gonna have time to do that today. Next week, I'll pretty much be freed up all week, be able to finish this dash up. Since I'm so far ahead on it now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. Then we'll jump back on the door panels, try and get them took care of. But if you like the video, like the build, like anything I'm doing, drop me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, consider subscribing, and we'll see y'all next time.